Hi, my name is James Kennedy. I work with Eastwood Homes, and I'm here with my assistant, Megan Garvey. And today we're going to be demonstrating how to replace your weather stripping. Your weather stripping doesn't need to be replaced unless it's been damaged. So what you would do if it has been damaged is you're going to pull it from the top here. And it has a little groove that it sits inside the door, and you're going to just pull it loose all the way down the door. We have the replacement piece of weather stripping here that you can get at any home improvement store. They have it in multiple colors, white, brown, and almond color. What she's doing now is she's measuring it from the top. She's got it tight at the top, and then she measures it all the way to the bottom so we can get it correct. And then we're gonna cut it with the scissors. The last thing that you're gonna do once you've cut it to size is she's going to start it from the top at an angle, a little bit ways down from the top, and then slide it all the way in, and then push the groove into the channel all the way down to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, it's easy to kind of take the end and slide it down to the bottom, and then it will lock into place in the channel.